welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm finally bringing you guys a second CVS haul. Now, I wanted to get a couple things, but the store I went to that I usually don't go to was sold out of a couple things, so I didn't get to get everything I wanted, which I'm okay with, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. One thing I do want to say is while I was shopping, actually I was done, I was at the checkouts, I turned around and I saw somebody who had a big bag full of coupons, and then I'm like, oh, I hope she knows who I am. Well, she looks at me and she's like, I know you from YouTube, and I'm like, hi, you know, I was so excited. I finally got to run into somebody that watches my videos. It was Estella. I want to say thank you for meeting up with me. I was so excited. I got my picture taken with her. It's weird. I never run into anybody who watches my videos. I have planned a meetup with somebody. Her name was Remy. I met up with her like a month ago, but I've never accidentally just ran into somebody, so I was super excited, you guys. I mean, I feel like awesome. So like we were talking and stuff, and I was telling her about, you know, what I do and everything. So I just want to say thank you, Estella, for running into me. I had a great time. I was super excited. I don't know if you're excited or I'm excited, but I feel like, you know, when you meet somebody famous, that's how I feel. Even though, yeah, I'm a dork, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, what I ended up getting is the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner because I finally got those coupons. These were 2 for $7, so I ended up getting 4 of them. So I used 2 of those $4 off of 2 coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So we got that going on. And then I also got 4 of the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Now these were 2 for $8, and I used a $4 off of 2 coupons, so I got those. And then I also had a personalized coupon for $4 off of 18. So between that coupon and those other coupons, I ended up getting everything for just 10 bucks. 8 items for 10 bucks is kind of a good, decent deal. But then you also get that $10 card that it prints off at the end of the thing, and you gotta like physically get a card. I think I actually have it in the bag here. Yeah, you guys will end up getting a card that looks like this for 10 bucks. So, and you can use this for any card, anytime. It doesn't expire. So I ended up getting all those items absolutely free after that personalized CRT. I was going to get Persil, but my store was sold out, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's not a big deal. I ended up getting the L'Oreal eyeshadow. Now, this one, I didn't realize it was open, but, I mean, it looks fine, but I just will have to use it, but it was opened. So, I ended up getting the L'Oreal eyeshadow. Now, these were $5.99 a piece. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So I used that, plus I used that L'Oreal CRT that we received for $3 off, and then I used 2 $1 off coupons. But I also had a $4 off of 15 cosmetics, and I was just trying to figure out other things that I could get. So I ended up getting this Physicians Formula Argan Mascara. Now this was $9.99. Now it has a deal where if you spend $10, you get $7 back. So what I ended up doing is I bought all 3 of these items with those coupons. I ended up paying $9.97 for all 3 of these, but then I got $7 back in ECBs, so this became $2.97. But since I bought nothing but shampoo and beauty products, I did spend over $30, so I will be getting $3 of beauty bucks. So if you think about it, I technically got these all for free. My total ended up paying is $3.97 for everything. I don't know how I paid $3.97. Whatever. I used $16 of ECBs, but then I received $17 back. And then I also will be getting that $3 beauty bucks. So this ended up becoming free, a 3-cent moneymaker. I know it's not much, but hey, it was all free, and I'm pretty excited because the Garnier stuff is my favorite shampoo that I use. So there is that. for those who do watch my videos and for those who love my Ibotta hauls, I just want to let you guys know I did email up asking if you guys can be on my team. She told me to disconnect my account and reconnect, so I did it, and I think I got more teammates than I have had before. I am not sure, but if you guys like my Facebook page on Facebook, I think you guys might be on my team. So if you guys are, you might have to disconnect and reconnect. But if you guys are like my Facebook page, you guys should be my teammate. If not, I'm going to email up. So make sure you guys look into that and tell me if I am your teammate, if I was not your teammate before. I'm just trying to help you guys out, you know, by all being on the teams. But you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I know most of you guys have. I want to say thank you again, Estella, for accidentally running into me. I was super excited. You know, I told my husband, I told my in-laws. I'm like, I finally got to meet somebody, you know. It's nice to have somebody who lives in my area. So I just wanted to let you guys know on that. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys all later. And I'm not going to do a breakdown with this. I'm just going to show you guys the pictures. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm tired. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. But I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.